Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2026. It's second round action and the scores are Dinthill Technical High on 6, Vere Technical High on 1. It's now time for the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Vere Technical High, it's time for your first minute. Vere, according to the book of Numbers in the Bible, at which place did Moses strike the rock instead of speaking to it?
Mortar.
No, Meribah. Which hormone controls water balance in the body?
Histamine.
No, antidiuretic hormone. Spell mischievous.
MISCHEVOUS.
No, MISCHIEVOUS. Which United Nations body is UNEP, UNEP?
Pass.
United Nations Environment Programme. What is the capital of French Guiana in South America?
Pass.
Cayenne. Which Caribbean island has English Harbour and Nelson's Dockyard as heritage sites?
Dominica.
No, Antigua and Barbuda. Complete the name of this famous Jamaican music duo. Papa Michigan and?
The Mentos.
No, General Smiley. Jones oxidation converts primary alcohols to what?
Esters.
No, carboxylic acids. What is the sum? And we'll hold that one. That's the end of the first minute for Vere Technical, and now to Dinthill Technical High for their first minute. Dinthill, which Old Testament character won a battle for Israel with 300 men?
Gideon.
Correct. Which enzyme catalyzes the conversion of carbon dioxide into carbonic acid in red blood cells?
Carbonase.
No, carbonic anhydrase. Spell camaraderie.
CAMARADERIE.
Correct. Which United Nations body is UNIDO, UNIDO?
United Nations Industrial Development Organization.
Correct. Which continent has no countries?
Antarctica.
Correct. Which river is mainly associated with the Aswan High Dam?
River. Ganges.
Ganges.
No, Nile River. Complete the name of this famous Jamaican music duo, Shakademus and?
Pliers.
Correct. Which solvent dissolves ionic salts best?
Solvent.
Water.
Correct. What is the sum of the composite numbers between 42 and 46, exclusive?
43, 44, 45.
132.
No, 89. And that's the bell. End of the first minute for Dinthill Technical High. Now we go back to Vere Technical for their second minute. Vere, what is the sum of the composite numbers between 21 and 25, exclusive?
73.
No, 46. In the classic TV series, The Jeffersons, what is the correct name of George's wife?
Pass.
Louise. What was the name of the ship that transported enslaved Africans in the infamous 1781 insurance case?
Pass.
The Zong. Who won the men's singles in the 2025 Australian Open in lawn tennis?
Alcaraz.
No, Yannick Sinner. What type of wave requires a medium for transmission?
Radio wave.
No, mechanical. What is the English translation for buscamos a alguien que pueda? We are looking for someone who can cook. What is the name of Prospero's spirit servant in the play The Tempest?
Pass.
Ariel. According to Jamaican folklore, what book should be placed under the baby's pillow to ward off evil spirits?
The Bible.
Correct. In the Bible, who was the father of the prophet Joel?
Beer.
No, that would be Pethuel, and that's the end of the second minute for their technical. Now we go to Dinthill for their second minute. Dinthill, in the classic TV series The Jeffersons, what is the name of George's son?
Georgie.
No, Lionel. What was Simon Bolivar's dream for a united South America called?
Pass.
Gran Colombia. Who won the women's singles at the 2025 French Open in lawn tennis?
Golf.
Correct. What is the point in a longitudinal wave where particles are farthest apart called?
Apart.
Crest.
No, rarefaction. What is the English translation for quería que nos quedaremos más tiempo? She wanted us to stay longer. In the novel A Raisin in the Sun, who wants to become a doctor?
Pass.
Benita Younger. In Jamaican folklore, what tree is said to be the home of duppies?
Guango.
Guango tree.
No, cotton tree. In the Bible, who was the father of Miriam the prophetess?
Amram.
Correct. Which organelle is the site of aerobic respiration?
Cytoplasm.
No, mitochondrion. Give a simple four-letter synonym beginning with... All right, we're going to hold that one. Dinthill, end of the second minute. And now we go back to Vere Technical High for their third and final minute. Vere, which sugar is transported through the phloem in plants?
Sucrose.
Correct. Give a five-letter synonym beginning with S for somnolence.
Pass.
Sleep. Who's a member of parliament for St. Catherine, Southwestern in Jamaica?
Dr. Christopher Tony.
No, Honourable Everald Warmington. What is the study of fungi called?
Mycology.
Correct. Which country contains a region of Anatolia?
Pass.
Turkey. In which movie was the Whitney Houston song I Run to You
The
featured?
Bodyguard.
Correct. What is Avogadro's constant?
6.022 times 10 to the negative
23.
23 kilogram moles.
No, 6.022 times 10 to the 23 per mole. A tangent and a radius drawn to the point of contact forms what angle?
Pass.
90 degrees, a right angle. Who plays the lead actor in the 2025 movie Frankenstein?
What?
Oscar Isaac. In what year was the first session of the UN General Assembly held?
1958.
No, 1946. That's the end of the third and final minute for Vere Technical. Now we go to Dinthill Technical for their third and final. Dinthill, give a simple four-letter synonym beginning with S for circumvolve.
Yes.
Pass.
Spin. Who's a member of parliament for St. Ann Northeastern in Jamaica?
And northeastern. So, Matthew Samuda.
Correct. What is the largest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter.
Correct. What is the capital of Laos?
Yes. Vientiane.
Vientiane.
Correct. Whitney Houston's iconic song, I Will Always Love You, originated with which other singer who wrote and first recorded it?
Britney Spears.
No, Dolly Parton. What is another name for an electron pair donor?
Free electron.
No, Lewis base. A cyclic quadrilateral has one angle 100 degrees. What is the opposite angle?
80 degrees. 80 degrees.
Correct. Who plays the lead actress in the 2025 movie Hamnet?
Bickle. Jesse Bickle.
No, Jessie Buckley. In what year was the Organization of African Union, OAU, established? No time to answer that one. 1963. That brings us to the end of the third and final minute for Dinthill Technical High and the end of our speed challenge. The scores at this time, Dinthill Technical High on 18 and Vere Technical High on 5. We go to the break with a good word from True Milk. Focus on growth. Celebrate progress, not just results. When we come back, it's the exciting buzzer challenge which will decide our winner. Stay tuned. Round 2 action in TVJ Schools Challenge 2026 returns right after this.